Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook spring onion. First, give your spring onions a thorough wash under cool, running water to remove any soil. Next, trim off the fibrous root ends and any bruised or discolored tips. You'll typically want to separate the white and light green parts from the darker green leafy tops. This distinction is key for various cooking applications. When preparing your spring onions, slice the white and light green sections into neat, small rounds, about 1/8 of an inch thick. These provide a more intense onion flavor. For the darker green tops, chop them finely. They're perfect as a fresh garnish or added right at the end of cooking. This distinction in cutting helps balance the flavors in your dish beautifully. For a quick sauté, which enhances their natural sweetness, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the sliced white and light green parts of your spring onions. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender crisp. This method preserves a slight bite and brightens their flavor profile wonderfully. Roasting your spring onions offers a completely different, rich flavor experience. Toss whole or larger pieces with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. They should become tender with a lovely, slightly charred exterior, adding wonderful depth to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.